Hello guys, this is Venetia Taylor again because I thought that this is normally just like a video over here. Look, this is my toy. I have seen this on the toy store. Look. Now you're supposed to open it. Oh, this is the police car. Wait, this is pull back button? What the? Look at this. Okay, I have to try it. What the? I got this. I'm gonna put this over here. Hello. We have 6 cars and police. Okay. Okay, guys, look at this. We're gonna get it. Oh, this is the ambulance. Oh, this is the ambulance. Hello, guys. This is Toby, but I have an ambulance. This is what is this thing? It can't move. What the? Oh. This is a look at this. This is the book of police. What? This is the school bus, everybody. Look. This is the school bus. Look, it's the same one. What the? Okay. Oh, this is Rudo. This ambulance again. There's 2 ambulance. There's 2, and there's 2. Guys, this is, oh my God, this is so my freaking God. Oh, this is the bus, or this is the burger. I'll put it over here. Oh my God, this is the coolest one. Look at the details. Oh. Bye, guys.